To invoice using eTims, an integrated billing and invoicing system, follow these steps. Log into your eTims account. Open your web browser and navigate to the eTims login page. Enter your username and password to access the dashboard. Navigate to the invoicing section. From the main dashboard, locate and click on the invoicing or billing section. Create a new invoice. Click on the Create Invoice button. Select the customer you want to invoice from your customer list. If the customer is new, add their details by clicking on Add New Customer. Add invoice details. Enter the invoice number and date. Fill in the due date for the payment. Add line items for the products or services provided. Include descriptions, quantities, unit prices, and any applicable taxes. Customize the invoice. Add any additional notes, terms, or conditions in the designated sections. Attach any relevant documents if needed. Review and save the invoice. Double-check all the information entered for accuracy. Click on Save to save the invoice as a draft or preview to see how it will look to the customer. Send the invoice. Once reviewed, click on Send the invoice to email it directly to the customer. Alternatively, you can download the invoice as a PDF for printing or manual sending. Track the invoice status. Monitor the status of your invoice from the invoicing dashboard. You can see if it has been sent, viewed, or paid. Receive payment. When the customer pays, record the payment against the invoice in the eTims system to keep your records updated.